So just to give you a few expert tips about how to use visualization to your benefit, keeping in mind that you drive in the direction that you are looking. So it's very important that you visualize what you want and not what you don't want. So keeping those powerful mind eyes on the prize that you want, and to avoid drumming up the negative fantasies or the worst case scenarios, because your ability to create is equally powerful whether you're generating the good stories or the not so good stories. And then it's important to connect those visuals to an emotion: joy, excitement, feeling thrilled or pleased, and kind of conjuring up how you're going to feel when this happens. It may be a multitude of different feelings. For example, you might be feeling thrilled and excited when you achieve that success that you're seeking, but maybe there's also another emotion. Maybe there's a little bit of frustration. Maybe there's a task that you'll have to complete, that will add in some different layers of emotion for you. So the point is, the more you can bring it to life for yourself, the more effective your visualization will be. And so to that end, you also want to include as many sensory details as possible. So the sounds, the scents, the textures, the images, just like those Olympic champions that are visualizing running their race and conjuring up all of the different sensory details. That is part of what makes your visualization so powerful and so real, and what allows your brain to record it as a memory, as an experience, something that you can then tie back to. You've created that neural pathway for that experience, and that will help you to recall it as a valid memory.